All right, we've got this beautiful Lotus Elan here. Absolutely immaculate condition car as well. Don't see a lot of these on the road anymore. We used to see these all the time years and years ago, but don't see it that much these days. Well, the customer, really what he wants to do is have the roof down, obviously in the summer, not in this sort of weather, have the roof down, drive down the country roads at 60 miles an hour and listen to some music. And the thing that's stopping him is his factory speakers. Look at that, I can see right through that. And that's lovely, that is. So, as you can see, you're not going to get a lot of volume out of that. So 60 miles an hour, all he's going to hear is wind. So we are going to replace it with something far better quality. And he should be able to listen to some music.